everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in our giveaway this month, we ship out big boxes of makeup each month to you guys, so if you want to be entered then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you live in the United States then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. Unfortunately our giveaways are US only, just because it would be way too expensive to ship the box internationally, so I hope you guys understand. But jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced concealer to prime my eye. The palette that I went in with is the Orange You Glad palette from ColourPop, and I really love all of these little palettes from ColourPop. I feel like they're super pigmented. This isn't even sponsored, I just love using all of their palettes, so that's why you guys see me using them quite often. The first shade that I went in with is Sunkissed, which is this really light orangey matte shade, and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade, going in back and forth motions. And then taking a defined angled brush, I went in with the shade Mimosa Mommy, which is like a peachy orangey shade, and I just put that in my crease, starting to map out where I want to add definition and winging it out in the outer corner. And I like using a defined angled brush because it just helps apply the eyeshadow exactly where I want it. And then I go in with a fluffy brush and I went back into the shade Sunkissed and I really blended that line out, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions. Next I went in with the matte brown eyeshadow in the palette Ya Peel Me, and I just put that eyeshadow directly over where we applied the previous eyeshadow. And that's what I really like about using defined angled brush. You really get to see exactly where you want to place the eyeshadow, and when you go in and add depth you already have it traced out, so it just makes it that much easier. And then I always go back in with a fluffy brush just to blend everything out to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And then I went in to the shade Zested, and I first cleaned up my lid with some concealer, and I just used that shade to set everything in place instead of using my translucent powder like I would normally. I just went in with that lighter beige shade. And then I went in with the shade Tangerine Dreams. This is such a stunning copper foiled eyeshadow, and I feel like it just really pulled the look together and just made it pop even more, and I just packed that all over my lid. And for lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes. I'll definitely leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand. The style that I went in with is Barbados, and I've been using this style non-stop just because it's so flirty and it just kind of complements every eye look that you create super well. And then I went in with the shade Sunkissed once again, and I just put that all over my lower lash line, mainly focusing it on the outer edge, just going in back and forth motions. And then I went back into that shade Mimosa Mommy, and I used a really detailed brush just to get in really close to my lash line. And then I went back into the shade Sunkissed just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. And thank you guys so much for all of the love and support that you guys have been showing us. We appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!